My name is Clint Ewing. I ride for Dunlop, and I just signed with KTM, so this is the last time you'll be seeing me on a Kawasaki. But we're here to have a good time and show you guys a good time too. We're excited to put on some shows. We have 2 more shows after this evening, and let's just have a great time. Who's starting us off right here? Who's starting us off? The Groms. The Grom Nation. And the Z. Okay, here we go, Christian. You guys give it up for these guys. They're on the little Z125s and the Grom 125s, and they're going to start us off here. Thanks. Corey in the middle, seat stander, circle. He's the one in the blue. Let's not forget him. Reed's doing a little sit down. There we go. Reed in the orange. Christian in red.